So this is your Songbird cover by whoever these people are. You've got the G, and when you play the G, the first thing we're going to do is take these bottom two fingers off, because we're not going to play the high E string. And I want you to put your pointer on the D, middle finger on the G, ring finger on the B, thumb on the E. So when you do this, just kind of like roll it up. So don't leave them out here and like think you're going to attack the string. Leave them on the string. So all you have to do is just kind of pull up. And as you do that, you're going to land on that high B string open. High, like there's a low. You're going to land on the B string open. And then drop that ring finger down to the 3rd fret of the B string. Pick it again, obviously, the B string. And I'm going to slide all the way up to middle finger on 8B and pointer finger on 7E. And you can either use the middle two. I like using the middle two, but you can use the front two if you want to, the pointer in the middle. It's up to you. If you use the pointer in the middle, you're going to slide back 2 frets to the pointer finger goes to 5, and you're going to drop that ring finger on 7. If you use the middle two, you're going to go back 1 fret and then lift the middle and drop the pointer to 5. Either way, what you're going from is 7 and 8 to 5 and 7. Whichever way is more comfortable to you, I don't care. So far, slowly. The ring finger makes sense to me because it's the one going on the B string. You don't have to move it. Watch my hand slowly. See that? I mean, that just makes sense. One hit on the 5 and 7, and then you're going to go to a C2, which remember is the G. Move down. And I'm just kind of going alternate between the top of the chord and the bass. Then I start over just as simple as like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's the same, but here, we're gonna hit that twice. Go back to the open G, then go to your next position, then the open G again. From here, go to open B, then your C2. So slowly. Just like that. We're coming off of that intro into a D. It's just outside 2, G, B, E, G, B. So going to C, you're going to go A and B together. That's coming A and B, then D, G, B. Then you're going to go middle finger off, play open D with the thumb, and middle finger goes to B twice. And hammer that middle finger on the second time. Then G, B, G, B, G. G, D, G, sorry. So it sounds like. Then you're going to go back to the ring finger on the 3rd fret of the E string. This is like your G chord. You're just going to play the open. This is all you're fretting for now. And you're going to play B with that E. And that's B and E, then D, G, and then B. So it's basically straight down. Then open G. Then Then you're gonna pick the D and the B together, still open, hammer on, pointer finger to 1B, middle finger to 2G. Looks like a C chord almost. Like this was a C chord and just putting the ring finger up one. Then open G in the middle of that. Then take it back off and do this again. You're just going outside 2, G and B, D, G, B. Then a quick little walk up, A, open with B1, 2A, 3B, then repeat.